In this MuVid review, I'm going to be showing you a cloud-based software that's going to allow you to create unlimited music for your video making need and actually create those videos inside the platform and even host them as well. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out MuVid, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says 15,386, 87, 88 royalty-free audio and video tracks composed till now. Next generation audio composing, video generating, and hosting that gives you the winning edge. Access the world's first AI-powered all-in-one unlimited music and video solution for every marketing need. So essentially what this does, it allows you to create a limitless music generation and mixing in one click, a limitless ad-free video hosting. So if you're not building a YouTube channel, you don't want to put your videos on places like YouTube because you're going to have ads over the top of them and you're not going to be getting paid and you're not going to be building your own business. So unless you're building a YouTube channel. Limitless stock videos and templates, limitless sophistication and technology, limitless video and image editing, limitless tracks, format sizes, downloads, and more. And it says limitless traffic leads and sales with that as well. So it's kind of neat. This will allow you to create music inside of it. It allows you to actually then go out and generate videos and create add the music to the videos and upload them to their hosting as well. So it's all included inside of one package here. So create music, generate videos, host videos with this all included again in one software, and it's going to be a really low one-time price for this year. So it says it has an AI-driven audio composing, next generation video generation and stock search, lightning speed video hosting, social sharing, SEO optimized, video and image editor, heavy duty yet light as a feather. I'm going to show you a demo video of this in a second so you can actually see it in action. You can see here they've got some examples here if you're going to go out and pay for this. If you're going to buy music, you can pay up to like $500 for it. I paid money for music as well before, not $500, but I paid for music for my business and my sales videos and stuff. So it's definitely one of those things that you need to pay for unless you have a software like this. You need unlimited unique video and audio content in 20 categories, super fast loading, cloud-based technology, all-in-one music composing, yada, yada, yada. So let's go down here. I'm not going to look at all this with you here. If you purchase, you're going to get access to the audio and video marketing technology, the music composer, the music download, all these different things, everything here included inside. You get the commercial license as well for a very low one-time price with this. So what I'm going to do now is show you some videos here showing you a little bit more about this so you can understand a little bit more what this does. And then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTOs. Okay, so this is the backend area that you're going to have access to once you download or once you purchase this. You're going to have access to a music library here. It says it has 25,799 like titles in here for you to use. So that's going to be all in here. You have the generate music aspect of this, the video generator. You can see all these different music things that are in here. You can go in here and add them to your favorites, etc. And then do everything that you saw in the previous videos here. So I'm not going to go through that. You guys already saw it. Okay, so let's go through the OTOs here together. Here we go. Pages are opening. Good. Okay, so this is the first one here. It says cut off all restrictions and welcome jaw-dropping features when you upgrade to this one here today. So this is going to be more features here. It's going to give you, it says limited to only 100 lucky members. I never believe that. Remove watermarks. So it's going to remove watermarks from your video. So if you don't want watermarks on them, which I know a lot of you won't, you can upgrade to this one. You can create and share unlimited content and sell them here as well with this pro features for a very low one-time price for this one. Let's see if it shows the price. It doesn't on here, but I know it's going to be really low. Their products aren't super high priced. Next one here, it says unlock a MuVid 3D animated cartoon characters and videos. So this is cartoon characters and videos. The next one here is music streaming platform and enjoy unlimited royalty-free music at your fingertips. Next one here is create, sell, manage limitless MuVid accounts. So you can actually resell this and keep 100% of the profits. And you got another one here, completely own and sell 50 done-for-you marketing dominating products that churn out unlimited profits on autopilot. So this is going to be a bunch of products that you can sell, done-for-you products. Next one here, want to start banking up to $439 per referral on the entire funnel. Okay, so this is, you can sell the entire funnel here with this and make up to $439 each. And then you can get, looks like a white label rights. You can sell it under your own brand with your own logo and earn 100% of the profit. So all these different OTOs, completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about MuVid and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, probably a software like this is not going to be as good as going out there and hiring a professional composer to make music for you. And when I say probably, I mean definitely. If you're paying someone $1,000 to compose music for you, it's going to be better than what this turns out. But if you're someone that just needs it for your business and you don't need it like for a big project and it's not something that has to be super professional, then this might be something for you. What do I like about this? Paying for music is expensive, especially if you're doing it over and over again, especially the fact that this does both music and video all in one and it hosts it for you. For the price point, it can't be beat. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at MuVid, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.